Windjammer Rear Lounge lets you sunbathe in the most advanced, fully equipped rear lounge model in its class. Rear Lounge is equipped with the industry's only oversized rear lounges with electric adjustable backs. Convert from lounge to bed in seconds with the push-button seat back adjustment. Also enjoy a Bluetooth stereo system, fiberglass driver station, and all of the other great series features on this one-of-a-kind craft. You'll be instantly laid back with the sumptuously designed RL. Find your secret spot with Avalon Pontoon boats.